Hey peeps, this is the Tech Diva here. I'm going to show you how to set the printing preferences on your laptop for the copiers around the district, except for Young. Young has copy codes. This is for Ventura machines only, and to know if you have a Ventura machine or not, you can go to the Apple and click About This Mac, and you'll see that it's Ventura on version 13. If you see a version 11 or 12, you need to go to the other videos that say printing preferences for Monterey. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a document. I find that PDFs or Word documents work best for setting those preferences. So we're going to open a PDF. I'm going to go File and Print. I'm going to pick my Commons printer. Most of these printers should be listed by your campus. If they are not, then you need to call the technology department. We are going to go under printer options. You should see Xerox features. If you do not see Xerox features, you're going to need to go to the applications folder, and you're going to look for the manager app, open it, go to self-service, go to printers, and then reinstall the printer that correlates with your campus. As you can see, my Commons printer is there. So I'm back to printer options. You scroll down, hit Xerox features. Now, under here, you want to pick one-sided unless you want to conserve paper and print on two-sided. You want to go to black and white and turn it on. Go back under paper output, go to advanced. Under accounting, you want to pick accounting systems for Xerox standard accounting. Under accounting prompts, you want to change that to prompt only for color. You want to hit OK. You want to hit OK here, but we want to save the settings. So under presets, you want to go click there and save current settings. And I call it black and white. Now, you can save this for all printers, which is going to be all the printers and copiers around the district, except for the ones at Young. In this way, you don't have to set up these presets for each copier. If you set the presets for just this one, it's just going to be this one, and you have to do it all over again. So I suggest setting it to all printers. Hit OK, and then you should be able to print. Next time you go back to print, even if you select a different printer, say the Teacher's Lounge, make sure it says black and white, and you don't have to do those preferences all over again. If you have any issues, please give the technology department a call, and we'll be glad to help you out. Have a great day.